Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya.
Completely overhauled from the ground up, the new VW Amarok has practically nothing in common with its predecessor, which has sold more than 830,000 units since 2010. They ditched the Volkswagen frame to adopt Ford's updated T6 platform, which also underpins the new Ranger. It's worth noting that this is more than just a rebadged version of the blue oval midsize truck, as VW strives to provide a visual identity of its own. The new truck will be available in single cab and double cab body styles, with the final stretch at 5,350 mm (210.6 inches). That makes it 96 mm (3.8 inches) longer than its predecessor, plus stretching the wheelbase by 173 mm (6.8 inches). Now that's 3,270 mm (128.7 inches). With the distance between the axles increased by more than the overall length, it means the overhangs have been trimmed for better off-road capability, with increased approach and departure angles. Width has decreased by 34 mm (1.4 inches) to 1,910 mm (75.2 inches), while height has increased by 10 mm (0.4 inches) to 1,888 mm (74.3 inches). However, it all depends on the selection of wheels and tires. Speaking of legs, VW is selling the Amarok with standard 17-inch wheels, but the more upscale variant will get a set of 21-inch wheels for the first time. Off-road, the Amarok 2023's Ford depth has been significantly increased from 500 mm to 800 mm, while all-wheel drive will be standard in many markets. Customers can choose between two 4-motion settings, one with a selectable 4x4, the other with a permanent AWD setting. Depending on the country, there will also be a cheaper entry-level variant with rear-wheel drive. Based on the choice of engine, a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms will also be offered. 4 diesel engines and 1 gasoline unit have been prepared, all of which receive turbocharging assistance. For the African market, VW commercial vehicles will sell the new Amarok with a 2.0 TDI engine producing 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, while other regions will get a more powerful version with 168 horsepower, 125 kilowatts. The more expensive diesel Amarok will rely on a bi-turbo 4-cylinder setup with 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, or 207 horsepower, 154 kilowatts. The range-topping diesel engine is a 3.0-liter V6 pumping out 238 horsepower, 177 kilowatts, or 247 horsepower, 184 kilowatts. As for the petrol engine, the next-generation Amarok will boast a 2.3-liter unit that produces 298 horsepower, 222 kilowatts.